A big hi to everyone from Dil Kehta Hai. Good morning, good evening, bonjour, konnichiwa, hello, salve, ciao, sat sri akal, adab, pranam, vadakkam. कैसे हैं आप सब? How are you all? Hope you all are doing better. Okay. I am here to pray for everybody around the globe that we all shall witness peace and harmony in our lives, in our economies, in our countries very, very soon. Let the Almighty bless all of us and forgive us for all our willing or unwilling sins or wrongdoings. Let the world be saved from this pandemic now. This is my wish. And today I am here with my few words which I have written on peace itself. My poem which I am going to present today is Peace, as I really, really wish wholeheartedly that each one of us shall live peacefully on this beautiful planet Earth. So, I would like to start my video and hope to get suggestions from you all and would be talking to you the rest of the stuff about my poem in the last part of the video. So do stay tuned with me and please take care. So let's get on to the video. Peace, a word of him, pours blessings forthwith. Solace triggered by mind, glee oozing through body, virtue proliferated by soul erstwhile. Let the erstwhile breathe a while to reach many, many miles to sprinkle love on smiles. Let the unabridged domain echo in harmony with us, the humankind. The niche of atonement, affiliation, and amity gets sculptured via eminent profiles to last till eternity. To nurture new saplings of hope, brotherhood, diligence, and generosity, Lord created Mother, whose child peace shall end all animosity. Adieu, orange and green. Adieu the conflict between orange and green, to hoist the flag of tranquility around the globe, to paint all blacks and whites as one, to paint all blacks and whites in one, to let the doves of peace, flap naturally, to let even death envy, the peace that the souls shall carry, So, my dear subscribers, my dear viewers, in this poem today, I have really, really wholeheartedly prayed from God, from Mahadev, from our own Almighty, to bless us all around this planet Earth to be united as one. Today, I have wished that all the hatred goes in a go. Let this pandemic takes over all the odds, all the hatred between countries, all the ongoing conflicts for this and that, or particular greeds or capture. Let everything soothe and we all live in harmony. We could be able to treat each one of us only as residents of planet Earth, as human beings. Yes, being human is the biggest blessing, which in the ongoing race of development has taken us very, very far from each other in emotions, in bonds. So today I have actually wished and I have prayed for well-being of each one of us, and so that we all can live in harmony and in peace. Let all of us be as one. Let all of us forget all the racial discriminations, all the animosity between us, and get united, and let that one beautiful pair of bird which we call as the symbol of peace shall flap their wings, not just for the sake of flying, but naturally, like from full of happiness, and all whenever leave this earth, every soul of us shall be filled with happiness. This is my prayer, this is my view today, and you all are invited to comment me your suggestions, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Dil kehta hai. And I'm really grateful for hearing me, and really wholeheartedly thank you all for being there in this video. And please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all the links are in the description, and please do watch my previous videos also. So we'll meet again. Happy New Year in advance to everyone, and a Merry Christmas to all of you, and let everybody be happy around the world. So a big round of applause for all of us fighting in this pandemic, and we all will be happier very soon. So bye bye.